Hi friends, and welcome back to another consumer video. Our printer that we purchased around 2009 decided to stop printing, so we needed to get a new printer. We decided to get the Canon imageCLASS MF753Cdw. This printer is a wireless all-in-one laser printer. With this printer, you will be able to print, copy, and fax. Today, we are going to be doing a review and unboxing of this printer. If you are interested in checking out this printer, I will put a link in the description, or you can go to consumer.com/MF753Cdw. Also, if you are new to our channel, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I want to show you how the Canon imageCLASS MF753Cdw wireless laser all-in-one color printer comes packed in the box and what it looks like when you take it out of the box. Let's go ahead and cut the tape open. As you can see, the printer is packed very securely. Included in the box, you will have the printer, the 6-foot power cord, the 10-foot phone cord, instruction manual, and the software CD. Now, let's go ahead and get the printer out of the box. It is definitely packed in there nice and snug. Here's the printer out of the box. You can see that everything is securely taped. Now all we have to do is take all this orange tape off. In terms of printer dimensions, the printer is 17 inches high, 16.8 inches wide, and 18 inches deep. When you have the lid fully open, the height is 26.5 inches. The weight of this printer is about 50 pounds. Now let's take a look at the Canon MF753Cdw printer. Here on the top is the auto document feeder that can handle up to 50 pages and the document return tray. Opening the lid, you have the scanner and the photocopier. Next is the LCD color touch panel. Moving further down, you have the 150 sheet output tray. Here's also a USB port for walk-up printing. The power button is right here on the front. If we open this panel, you have the manual load multi-purpose tray with a capacity of 50 sheets. To open the fallout tray, there is a button on the left side of the printer. Here you have the 4 ink cartridges: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Here at the bottom, you have a 250 sheet capacity paper cassette. This tray can work with legal size paper, but will stick out a little over 2 inches. There is an optional paper cassette that you can purchase separately that holds up to 500 sheets, giving you a capacity up to 850 sheets. I will put this link to the additional cassette in the description, or you can go to consumer.com/PFK1. Let's turn the printer around so you can see the back. Here you have the access panel where you can clear paper jams. You also have the jack for the fax and telephone lines here on the left. Over here on the right, you have the USB-A, USB-B, and the Ethernet ports. The port for the power cable is down in the left-hand corner. This Canon printer also supports Wi-Fi network connections and mobile printing. Let's move on to the setup of this printer. A setup menu will appear on the display panel. The on-screen directions to set the printer up are pretty easy to follow. The first thing you're going to do is set your language, location, and time zone. Then you will be able to set up Remote UI if you are interested in doing so. Remote UI allows you to change the printer settings by using a web browser. Next, you will be asked if you want to correct the color for a more accurate reproduction of the original. If you do this step, you will need to load the tray with paper. Hit OK to continue with this step and press start. After the printout has printed, load the printout into the copier with the black bars on top. The instructions will also be on the display panel. To continue, press start scanning to complete the calibration. After the calibration, you will be able to add the printer to your home Wi-Fi network by selecting it and adding in the password. The next question you will be asked is if you signed up for the toner replacement service. Go ahead and push next here. Next, you will need to grant Canon permission to access usage information if you signed up for the service. If you did not sign up for the service, press Do Not Accept. To finish up, Canon is going to give you some information about the application library. When you are done looking this over, you can press End. After doing these steps, you are now ready to move to your computer. Once you are at your computer, use the software CD or download and install the printer drivers and software from Canon's website. If you have not already set up your Wi-Fi network connection, you can use an and USB-B cable to connect the printer to your computer. The Canon imageCLASS MF753 wireless laser all-in-one color printer has a few helpful features that I want to share with you. The first feature I'm going to go over with you is the secure print function. When printing a document from a computer, the document is held in the memory of the machine, and it is not printed until the correct pin is entered on the display panel of the machine. Using secure prints keeps printouts of confidential documents from being left unattended. This is a great feature to have if you are in an office environment. Let's move on to the next feature. When you are using the auto document feeder for copying or scanning, the printer can capture both sides of the page in one pass, so you don't have to worry about having to flip the page to copy both sides. You can save scanned documents to a thumb drive. There is a USB walk-up port on the front of the computer where you can plug in your thumb drive. You can also directly email or fax the scanned document. Here on the display panel, you can choose to manually type in the email address, or you can go to the address book to select the address. This feature is so helpful when you have to scan things. Now it's time for my favorite feature of this printer. You can print directly from your phone. There are several different apps that you can use to do this. If you have an Apple device, there are 2 different ways that you can print from your iPhone. The first way is to download the app Canon Print Business from the App Store. Canon Print Business is a free app that enables you to use a Canon laser printer to print pictures and documents, and even upload to cloud storage services from an iPhone or an iPad. You can also use Apple AirPrint. With Apple AirPrint, there is no app that needs to be downloaded. Everything is already located on your phone. If you have an Android phone, you can download the free app Mapria to print from your phone or tablet. If you have an Android phone, you will also need Canon Print Service to communicate with the printer. I absolutely love that I can print from my phone with this printer. Stay tuned because I'm going to be making a video to show you how easy it is to print directly from your phone using Apple AirPrint and the Canon Business Print app. I really like the fact that this printer has fast printing. The print quality is very good. I think the text is clean and crisp, and this page printed very fast. For color prints, this printer doesn't disappoint either. The details and color are great. The colors are nicely blended, and the print has a dry glossy sheen even on regular printer paper. I would recommend this printer if you are looking for an all-in-one printer with fast printing and high image quality. It is also very helpful that you can scan and fax directly to a fax number or email address. In my opinion, this printer would be great for a small business. My favorite feature of this printer is that I can print straight from my iPhone. This feature is going to be used a lot in my household. If you're interested in checking out this printer, I will put a link in the description, or you can go to consumer.com/MF753Cdw. Also, if you are new to our channel, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I hope that you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.